Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nadilah. You can call me Dila, and I will explain about gender equality. Okay, gender equality is a condition in which the passion and social status of women and men are equal, harmonious, balanced, and harmonious. This condition can be realized if there is fair treatment between women and men. The application of gender equality and justice must pay attention to conceptual and situational issues, based on mathematical calculation and not universal. Okay, gender equality means that all people of all ages and genders should have an equal opportunity to success in life. This means that all human beings must have equal access to control of research and benefit. In other words, in a fair manner, so that everyone can benefit and participate in development. The gender equality refers to set of characteristics, rules, responsibilities, function, right, and behavior attached to men and women as a result of cultural formation in the social environment in which individuals grow and arise. The gender has implications for the emergence of the view that women have feminine characteristics, including gentle, beautiful, emotional, and motherly will individuals who have strong, rational and powerful characteristic. The difference in the nature of men and women is God-given nature. The gender equality important. Until now, discrimination based on gender still occurs frequently in societies. This is due to the extent of strong patriarchal culture and place women at a great disadvantage, such as not being able to self-actualize, minimal opportunity to obtain higher education, difficult getting a high passion in the world of war, and so on. Gender equality can create mutual respect so that there is no more discrimination. Gender equality can also reduce poverty because women get equal rights so that they can improve their standard of living. The goals of education with a gender perspective include having equal access to education. For example, boys and girls have equal right to be able to attend education. Up to a certain level of formal education, of course, is not fair. If in today's global era subnet education to women, especially if the daughter has the ability, the idea the women are workers in the domestic sector, so they don't need to be given higher formal education. It is a wrong idea. And the some obligation, for example, a man, a woman, but have the obligation to seek knowledge in line with the obligation of every Muslim man and Muslim woman. So, equality of position and role. For example, both men and women have the same position as subject or agents of development. The position of men and women, but as the subject of development, has the same role in planning, implementing, mentoring, enjoying the results of development. Finally, it is related to equality of opportunity. Gender roles have created inequality and injustice between women and men. The most obvious confession of such a political situation is the marginalization and exclusion of women from formal political life. For the reason, various efforts are needed to fight for gender equality in political life, which in the future is expected to provide a change in views about patriarchal culture for the community, so that the probability of clashing of family political leader will be the same as the possibility of selecting male political leader. So the gender equality in the world of political will be more advanced in the world of politics will be more advanced, and the side effect for progress in efforts to eradicate corruption can be avoided immediately. Gender equality should not be viewed as the extent same rights and obligations without further consideration. It is some when women talk about the issue of gender equality when we interpret everything to be absolutely the same as men, because basically women currently will not be ready if they have to bear the heavy burden that is usually borne by men, or conversely, men will not be able to complete all routine household tasks that are usually done by women. Okay, in my opinion, it is hope that all elements of society can be sensitive to gender issue that have been happening for a long time, so that later they can create a society can respond to gender matters. The community is also expected to be able to continue to support gender equality in their life, be it terms of education, politics, and economy, or others matter that are still related to gender equality, because these are all responsibilities, but men and women for education institution. It is also hope they can continue support gender equality in order to create and gender equality education in the world education. This can be done by create a gender-based curriculum, so that later there will be no more inferiority and superiority in education.